Skruimmasjiene en lynstaankrete moes Woensdag plek maak vir springkastele en die geleg van spelende kinders by die Westelike Provinsie Rugby Unie se oefenhoofkwartier in Bellville.
Die hoofdoel is dat die kinders hulle moet geniet, hulle moet gewoond raak, hulle moet weet wie die WP is, hulle moet weet wat ons vir hulle doen en hulle moet hulle geniet vir die dag. Het is lekker om hier te wees saam met ons te sien dat so baie minder bevoorregte kinders hier vandag is en dat ons hier 'n ligstraaltjie in hulle hart kan bring.
Meer as 370 jong minder bevoorregte kinders van verskeie kinderhuise het baat gevind by die jaarlikse dag van pret en plesier, waar tydens die streeptry gewys het hulle gee net soveel om vir Suid-Afrika se jong klomp as om die Currie-beker te wen.
Yeah, just I guess to see how much fun they're having is very sort of sentimental, and I think just as a player, just knowing that there's a good chance that all of these kids are probably watching Western Province and shouting for Western Province. That it's just so nice to be able to be there for them, and I enjoy coming to visit here and just seeing them, and just to know that I've maybe played a little part in their lives, and I think that's definitely one of the focuses of us as players. We're not just rugby players, we're also people, and we're aware that we're role models in a lot of ways. So just to be able to share some fun moments and to share some time is just awesome.
It's a day of fun for them, and it's an opportunity to be outside, to experience Western Province rugby environment, because that's something else they don't always experience, and also for them to actually get out and actually be with the other children makes a big difference. And it's wonderful. It's an opportunity for them to actually just spend some time outdoors.
Het is lekker om na mini rugby te kyk hier onder 7. Jy lag verskriklik baie as jy sien sommige van hulle het vaardighede, sommige van hulle het nie. En wie weet, miskien draag jy nog 'n kragtige nommer 8 eendag vir die WP en later vir Suid-Afrika.